Welcome to this fresh episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of maintenance and reliability. We've got an insightful conversation lined up with industry expert Joe Anderson, the COO at ReliabilityX. We'll be discussing common challenges organizations face, the importance of mentorship in professional growth, and the evolution of the maintenance and reliability sector. So if you're interested in gaining a competitive edge through improved maintenance strategies, stick around. We're diving into the world of maintenance and reliability with insights from Joe Anderson. With over 2 decades of experience, Joe brings a wealth of knowledge from various industries across the United States. Joe starts by sharing his current focus, which revolves around helping clients across North America. Whether it's training, coaching, or plant turnarounds, Joe's expertise is helping businesses streamline their operations and enhance their competitive edge through improved maintenance and reliability strategies. One of the most intriguing parts of our conversation today centers around the common challenges organizations face: people issues, process issues, and profitability issues. Joe explains that these often stem from inadequate training and poor process systems, which in turn affect profitability. He emphasizes the importance of developing robust systems and processes to prevent these problems. A key takeaway from Joe's experience is the critical role of mentorship in personal and professional growth. He shares how a mentor changed his perspective on maintenance management, shifting his focus from reactive to proactive maintenance, which significantly accelerated his career. Joe also touches on the evolution he's witnessed in the maintenance and reliability sector. He notes improvements like better strategies and knowledge sharing, but also points out challenges such as the aging workforce and reduced training budgets which threaten to erode these gains. Addressing the skills gap, Joe candidly discusses the difficulties in bridging this gap and stresses the importance of sharing knowledge and individual development as a step towards improvement. He also highlights the interconnectedness of people issues, process issues, and profitability, suggesting that without a systemic approach, businesses often find themselves in a blame game that hinders progress. In our discussion on maintenance strategies, Joe critiques the common tendency to over-maintain equipment, which can be as detrimental as under-maintenance. He advocates for a strategic approach where maintenance efforts are aligned with the criticality and impact of equipment on business operations. Moreover, Joe introduces us to the concept of the 30 major losses, a framework he developed to provide more granularity in understanding and addressing downtime. This model helps businesses pinpoint the exact causes of inefficiencies and tailor their strategies accordingly. As we wrap up, Joe shares his excitement about the future of maintenance and reliability, especially with the influx of new technologies and the next generation of maintenance professionals. He remains passionate about teaching and sharing his knowledge, which he believes is key to advancing the industry. For those eager to connect with Joe or learn more about his work, he invites you to visit ReliabilityX.com, where you can find resources, his podcast, Practical Reliability, and their YouTube channel, The Reliability Experience. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this episode insightful. We've discussed the common challenges in maintenance, the importance of mentorship, and the future of the maintenance and reliability sector. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and reliability team, visit us at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.